Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Rebel 500 with ABS brakes, twin cylinder 500, liquid cooled, fuel injected, custom cruiser. This one has a really cool custom kit, green tank, brown seat, awesome sounding Diablo pipe, bobber fender. This bike is badass, only 1,300 miles. Come on by, make your custom 500 Rebel Cruiser dreams come true for just $59.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah, it sounds awesome. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.